major reason why people do not like Nike Jordan 1 mid sneakers is the fact that they have inferior quality material as compared to the Nike Jordan highs. But things are different with the Air Jordan 1 mid SE Craft in dark gray, black, and a tinge of red. So if you're looking for the best Nike Jordan 1 mids with great quality material, then these are the sneakers to get. As for the unboxing, you have the Nike box with the Wings logo on top, and you have the Wings logo on all four sides of the box. There is no price mentioned on the box, and on the bottom of the box you do have some information about Nike and their trademarks and registrations. Now, the first thing you might notice when you take the Nike Jordan 1 Mid SE Craft out of the box is that you will think, hey, these shoes are dirty. Well, this splatter pattern over here, these dots in gray, that is not dirty. That is the design language of these Jordan 1 Mid sneakers. The next thing which you will notice is the fact that the quality of materials here is great. It does not feel synthetic at all because there is no synthetic leather. It does not feel plasticky. It does not feel cheaply made. This here is suede leather. So on this shoe over here, this part here, the toe is smooth suede leather, and this part over here is rough suede leather. But if I pick up the other shoe, then things have been swapped around. So this part here is the rough suede leather, and this part here is the smooth suede leather. Unfortunately, you do not get an extra pair of shoelaces inside the box. Now, as per Nike's website, these Jordan 1 Mid SE Craft are dark gray, but me personally, I think they have more of a black colorway, and these stitchings in red do give them a pretty dope look, like a tinge of university red. Like I said at the beginning of the video, you have that stitching over here near the toe on both sides. Then the Wings logo also has this red stitching going all around it, looks pretty great. And then even on the back you have this stitching in red, which again looks pretty good to me. Now, jumping over to the inside of these Nike Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Craft in black or monochrome, whatever the name internet has given these shoes, the liner here is in black. The insole is also in black, but the Nike Jumpman is in red. Moving over to the tongue, you can see that you have the text Air and you have the Jumpman. You would hope this would be in red to add some more tinge of red, but unfortunately this is where you might see a bit of gray. So if you are in the market for the best Nike Air Jordan 1 Mid sneakers, then this Mid SE Craft is the sleeper Nike sneaker of the year because of the quality of materials used here. Great quality suede leather all around, the red accents. These sneakers are going to go with most of the clothes in your wardrobe out there, and trust me, when you hold them in your hand for the first time, you are definitely going to fall in love with them.